Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to link your Premiere Pro project and files to your Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch a quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with managing our project. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with linking our Premiere Pro. So as you can see, here is our new project, and let's say we want to import our files or a project from Premiere Pro. This is what we have to do. First guys, from Premiere Pro we have to go ahead and export all the files and the compatible files types that we can use in Davinci Resolve. So go to Davinci Resolve right here into the upper left corner, click on File, and after clicking File, it's going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options you can access. And as you can see, let's go ahead and drop down to the import section. So you can see here we can go ahead and start importing. We also have the option to import metadata if we need, but the import option is going to enable us to import media from XML or just regular media and so on. We can even import an EDL. So you want to go ahead and export your Premiere Pro files in this file types so that you can go ahead and import them right here, and after importing them they're going to appear in your timeline and you can get started with adding them to your project just like in Premiere Pro. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.